engine operation, and the engine has the way it sounds. And as an owner or a technician, you know that this engine is okay. But normally when something is wrong with an engine, the sound changes. It can be a knocking sound, it can be a squeaking sound, it can be a clicking sound. There are so many different sounds. Normally, the customer can't differentiate the kind of sound an engine is having when it goes bad. It's us, the trained people, who can identify the kind of sound, and right away we identify the problem. Normally what happens to an engine for it to change the sound, there are so many things. For example, when an engine doesn't get good lubrication, it can change sound. When an engine has got some internal parts, one of the internal parts broken, still can make the sound. Some sounds come as a result of the accessories, because an engine has got parts which are coupled onto it. So any of those, when it gets spoiled, it can create a sound. And then because it's attached to the engine, it becomes also an engine sound. So it's us to identify such sounds. So depending on the situation and the nature, at times when the customer calls us, we can either tell him to drive here, or after explaining to us, tell him not to drive anymore. Because some sounds are too dangerous that if you drive any meter away from where the vehicle is, you can spoil the whole engine. So we advise the customers accordingly, those who are outside or very far from the vehicle. Or at times, we can advise the customer to put the car on the car carrier, or we drive there. We send our field service team to go and ascertain the kind of service. At times it can be something that can be solved on the spot, on the site, or something that needs the attention of the workshop in terms of tools and all that. So when our customers, we advise them always to be keen to tell us whatever abnormal sounds they find on their cars, to call us first before they commit themselves by either driving or taking our products any other